Hello?
I didn't stir it. Always stir your peanut butter. What to do? I really don't know. So I picked up some supplies at the Canadian Tire in Thunder Bay. Now I'm driving through beautiful northern Ontario, and I'm going to stop in Marathon and I'll show you guys how I make my tuna can stove. So I was going to show you a video on how to make a stove out of a tuna can, but this tag hole punch thing, I think it's for hunting, only put 2 holes in it until it stopped working. I guess it's not made for metal. I'm going to try to return it because it still does the paper. But yeah. So stay tuned. I also forgot a pot, so it's not like I could have cooked anything. It's getting late. Tomorrow morning I'm going to show you guys my sleeping setup. So I just woke up. This is my setup. Got the little thing to trap heat. Double sleeping bag. Pillow here. The seat goes all the way back. Yeah, it's pretty cozy. So yeah, we're just gonna head to Wawa today and then check out the town, the Giant Goose. See you later. Wawa has a goose. There's a lot of geese in Wawa. Close to the Sioux now, and I'm just gonna pick up some stuff in the Sioux and then quickly head over to this small town called Hilton Beach, and I'm gonna camp the night there. And tomorrow we'll try to get the stove working. So we're back with round 2. I went to Value Village in Sault Ste. Marie and I picked this up. Perfect. So you're gonna want a few holes. That should be good. And once we eat this, we'll make a second burner out of this. Pour your gas line antifreeze inside there. Next, we need something to trap the heat in and also keep the wind from blowing it away. So wrap around half your pot. So you might want to make one longer. Sweet. She's burning. Can barely see the flames. So while we're letting our water boil, let's make a little tuna wrap. Olive oil, salt, So my stove wasn't staying lit, but I think I figured out the problem. The holes have to be staggered, so one has to be on the top and another has to be further down like that tag hole. So I moved this thing back. Hopefully we can get a hole deep enough. I don't know. All right. That's pretty nice. Hopefully that works. getting late. So I think I figured out the issue. I just put both of them next to each other and they have a little bit of air. And looks like they're burning nicely now. Oh yeah. Beaver. Oh, he's gone. This stuff does burn for quite a while. I just got to get the airflow better. I got the hole here, but I need some holes lower, like down here, for airflow, because with the pot on top, it doesn't burn well. I have some other at home. I have some others at home that are better, but I don't have a one hole punch. I only had this, so I can only put the holes so low. Well, I was gonna make tea, but it's pretty late. I don't want to drink any tea right now, so I'm just gonna drink some nice boiled water. Get a nice warm beverage. So one of the burners is out of fuel. Oh, what was I getting? Oh yeah. So since those antifreeze caps or bottles don't close, I just picked up this thing, this bottle, and I'm gonna put the rest in this to save my antifreeze, because why would you waste it, even though it's $4 for a 6-pack? That was foolish. Good night. Yeah, I'm right by a road. I'm not super remote, just near a native reserve, right near the small town of Massey on the 17, close to Sudbury. But yeah, wanted to camp in some provincial parks, but they're all closed. It's hard to find one at this time of year, just right before everything opens up. Yeah, it's still kind of winter.